Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to another unboxing video. As I always say with an unboxing video, if you don't like unboxing videos, please just skip this video and go watch something else on the channel. But for those of you that watch it, you get an opportunity to see what will be coming up in the future on the channel. So it came in an Amazon box and I'm going to unbox it here real quick and we'll take a look at it. This one is a beginner ukulele intended for beginners. So we're looking at a low price soprano ukulele. Not that beginners can't use other size of ukulele, but in this case, this one's one of the sopranos. Super light in the box already, I can tell you that much. All right, so I have the box cut open, and let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, first of all, Amazon did not do a very good job of packing this one. There is nothing protecting it at all. So let me get that Amazon box out of the way. And it comes in a case like this. It's Naneki Ukuleles. And the Smyger store is selling these, or Smyger store is selling these on Amazon. So you get an ukulele in the bag, and then we've got an interesting combination of things here. We'll take a look at these in a moment. You get a How to Play Ukulele Quick Start Guide by Smyger. And let's take a look at the packet of things that you get before we look at the ukulele. So you get a cleaning cloth. You get 3 loose picks here, just plastic picks. I don't understand the plastic picks, but you get ukulele strings, extra ones. I can't tell just from looking at it what kind they are, you know, whether it's sort of a nylon-based or fluorocarbon. This is kind of a neat thing. You get some fingertip protectors. That may seem like a questionable addition to the package, but I'll tell you what, there's been a couple times that I've had a cracked finger or something, fingertip, and you can't play. With something like one of these, you can actually just put that on and that can help your fingertips. Wouldn't play with it all the time, but in those rare cases, and especially for beginners whose fingers get sore, not a bad idea. And then you also get a tuner. So that's what comes in the package. And now let's take a look at the ukulele itself. All right, so here it is. Comes in a bag, as you probably noticed. So sort of a, trying to remember what they call these bags. Can't remember the name of these bags. Kind of a cinch strap bag. I taught at a high school where we required students to use sort of a bag like this for their books. That was at the height of post-Columbine, safety features. I don't know if they still have those rules at that school. Just looking at it, again, it's really a lightweight bag. It has some extra reinforcements with the leather ends to help with the rope that tightens it up. But realistically, if you buy this ukulele, you're probably going to want to buy a separate gig bag. But again, the choice to then upgrade the bag is yours. Will this carry the ukulele and keep it dust-free? The answer is yes. So maybe that's all you need with a beginner ukulele. All right, so let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Okay, kind of an interesting headstock, neat paint job. As we go down, we've got the ubiquitous Aquila Super Nile Gut strings. You can see the white on there. And as we go down, it's an all wood ukulele, not plastic like a dolphin. You've got just, no side position markers, painted body, but not a ton of overspray or anything in there, which sometimes you see with less expensive ukuleles. There are some sharp ends on the neck here that I'll have to take a look at later. A rough end, not sure what that's about. The rest of it is finished pretty well in that gloss. It's going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. I'm going to take off this little name tag here so I can tune it up. And we'll see if we can even tune this up for a first tuning. Yeah, for an inexpensive ukulele, that tuned up actually pretty quickly the first time. Just looking at the action seems really nice overall. I'll get a chance to measure that later. Let's see what it sounds like. Look at my frets here. All right, so first impressions. It's not the worst thing I've ever played. Obviously, it's not the best, but you wouldn't expect it at this price point. So as I go into this, what I'm going to be asking myself is, would I be okay with one of my students playing one of these? We'll take a look at it and give you an honest review of what I see and what I think, and especially my thoughts as a teacher, because again, this kind of thing would be appealing to an elementary student, anywhere from grade 3 on up, so basically age 10 on up. All right, with that all said, thanks for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.